Okay, the question is that can we mix, Zamzam water with the normal water and can it still be called as Zamzam water? I said yes. Only if you put Zamzam water to the normal water, then the effect of the Zamzam water will not be, harmed, will not be destroyed, will not have any negative impact, because it has got the, capacity to change the other normal water to, like, make it some similar to it. But if a person is using normal water and adding to the Zamzam, then after sometimes whatever has been consumed, then who knows where the Zamzam water is. So we can't say that way, other way around. You can add Zamzam to the normal water and still you'll have an impact of the Zamzam in it. But if you keep on adding normal water to Zamzam, then there at a time once it is consumed, then you don't know where the Zamzam is gone.